Hey guys, we're back again today, trying our luck. And today we have a winner chicken dinner. We have a cash eruption. We have 3 7-Eleven 21s and 2 loose change multipliers, which is what we will start with. So you scratch the play area to reveal the coins. If the coins add up to over $1, you win the prize shown. If you find the 2x, 3x, or 5x coin, you automatically win the prize multiplied by that multiplier. And the odds, they're 1 in 4.89. Let's zoom on in here. Alright. We also have our Scratching Mama dog tag. I have these in 8 colors, $5 each. So email me if you'd like to get 1 or 2, or 3 or 4 or 5, maybe even 8. I have a penny and another penny and another penny and a nickel. Another nickel and another nickel. So no winner on the first one. So let's try it again. We have 50 cents, 25 cents. This is a winner, guys. We have us a winner. All right, let's see what we got. $5. We will take that. All right, I like that. We will move on to the 7-Eleven 21. So, you add all 3 numbers in each game. If the total is 7, 11, or 21, you win the prize shown. All 3 games are played separately. And the odds are 1 in 4.79. Let's see how well I can math today. We have a 13, a 4, and a 3. That is not a winner. 4, 2, and 13. That also is not a winner. 10, 5, and a 10. No win on that one. We have 2 more of those to try. We have a 6, a 2, and a 2. That is not enough. A 2, a 2, and a 3. That is a winner because that is 7. A 4, a 9, and a 10. So we just have game 2, which is 7. So let's see what we got. $1. That's something. And we have 1 more of those to try. We have an 8, a 9, and a 6. A 9, a 4, and a 10. All right, 1 more chance here. A 5, a 5, and a 10. So no win on that one. So we're just going to move on to the cash eruption. You scratch all play areas to reveal 3 like symbols within a game to win the prize shown. If you reveal 2 symbols and a 5x, then you win 5 times the prize shown. Each game is played separately. There's 12 different games. In the power spots, if you find a float note, you get $25. And the odds, they're 1 in 4.98. Something on here that keeps getting in the way. All right, we're going to zoom in some so we can see these symbols. All right. We have a sailboat, a ruby, and a chest. a bike, a bar, and a bar. Wishbone, key and a wishbone. Popsicle, fish, and a poker chip. Camper, popsicle, and a kite. A kite, a duck, and a duck. Nug, shopping cart, and another nug. Piggy bank, binoculars, and a piggy bank. A bank, a drink, and a shopping cart. Money roll, credit card, and a credit card. Watch, a lock, and a car. 24K, a rabbit, and a poker chip. So nothing down there. So we need float notes up here. Try again. No bonus. No bonus. And the sorry, not sorry. Alright, well, I have one more ticket to try. And that is winner, winner, chicken dinner. And as a match and win, you find those eggs, it's double, chicken is 5 times, and the trophy is all 15 prizes. On the back, we have a buttermilk biscuit bonus, and we have to find a stick of butter. And the odds, 1 in 3.91. We're gonna zoom on in. This ticket's really slick, so we're gonna use our friend, Foo Scratcher's beautiful coin. So let's see what our clucky numbers are. 30, 39, 3, and 37. And we have 8, 26, 3, that's a winner. 4 is 1 off. 16, 5, 23, 28, 25. We have no 20s. 18. Lucky 20 we don't need. 11, 33, 32, and 24. So we have the 1 matching 3s. But first, let's see if they can give us a stick of butter for our biscuits. Never got the stick of butter yet. We have a sheep, a barrel, a bale of hay, a cat, a piggy, and the tractor. So no butter for our biscuit yet. So let's see what's under our 3. $10. We will take that. That means we made profit today. We have 10 here. 5 here, that's 15. And 1 here for 16. That is $1 profit. But we will take it. So, if you like what you see, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I post every day at 11 a.m. Central. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.